red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, dark green color, dark green color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, light green color, light green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color, the alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for a ball, B for a bat, the alphabets of B, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids neither C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use dark green color, dark green color. Kids neither D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use blue color, blue color. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use black color, black color. Kids now draw numbers, and firstly draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, red color, O N E 1. Kids neither 2, the numbers of 2, and use yellow color, yellow color. The numbers of 2. Kids neither 3, the numbers of 3, and use the numbers of 3, and use dark green color, dark green color, T H R W 3. Kids neither 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color, blue color, F O U R 4. Kids neither 5, the numbers of 5, and use black color, black color, F I V E 5. The numbers of 5. Kids now draw shapes. And first we draw triangle. The shape of triangle, and use red color. The shape of triangle. Circle. The shape of circle, and again use red color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart, and use yellow color. The shape of heart. Kids now draw Easter. The shape of Easter, and again use yellow color. Kids now draw pentagon. The shape of pentagon, and use blue color. Kids now draw circle. Square. The shape of square, and again use blue color. Draw green color. Red color. Yellow color. Black color. Light green color. Kids now coloring small letters, alphabets, and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B for ball. B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant, and use draw green color. The alphabets of E. F. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for goat. G for grapes. Kids now draw H. H for hen. H for helicopter, and use red color. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. K. K for kite. K for king. It's neither L. L for lion. L for lemon. And use yellow color. M. M for moon. M for mango. N. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 T H R W 3. Kids, night of 4. The numbers of 4 F O U R 4. Kids, night of 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E N 7. Kids, Nitra 8. The numbers of 8 and use red color E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10. Kids, Nitra 11. The numbers of 11 Kids, Nitra 12. The numbers of 12 and use yellow color 13. The numbers of 13. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Yellow color draw green color blue color black color red color light green color. Kids, now coloring 2D shapes. Kids, first draw Easter. The shape of Easter and use yellow color Kids, now draw pentagon. The shape of pentagon and use green color Kids, now draw square. The shape of square and use blue color Kids, ignite a triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color Kids, ignite a circle. The shape of circle and use red color Kids, let's do the trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid and use light green color Kids, today draw star, pentagon, square, triangle, circle, trapezoid. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Light green color, light green color. Dark green color, dark green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Kids again use blue color and draw 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. And again use blue color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use black color. Black color. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and again use black color. S-E-V-E and 7. It's now draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. And again use black color. It's now draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. And again use black color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw 12. The numbers of 12 and again use yellow color. Yellow color. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids lastly draw the numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. Red color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and again use red color. Kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 kids lastly draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.